Map method in Python is used to apply a function to each item in iterable. That should be list, set, or tuple. So let's start with this function called square as key. Then this is going to receive one parameter, which is a. Now we can return that a multiply to itself. So this we are going to apply map function to this list. So let's say list is going to start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 7. That is enough. Now we may say variable, which is result. Let's say now we are going to apply map function as you see here on our markdown notes. So we start by function. So now we apply function, and then we follow it by our lists. So now this map function is help us to apply to take each element here, and we pass to this function to a. Then each element should be multiplied to itself. Let's try to see the result by using list function. So we are going to use list function to convert. We are going to convert each element. We are going to convert this result to lists, because if we try to print this result, we may see this is a map object. So we need to convert this object into a result of a list. So let's use this function and we pass the result, and we say now you see 1 is multiplied to itself become 1, 2 multiplied to itself become 4, 3 become 9, 4 become 16, and so on. So let's see what about filter function. So we may take this simple note of map function to make it quickly, and then we back here and we paste it here. So let's paste it here and we see what is simply different. So filter function also applied when there is condition on iterable. Let's take for example here, we try to check if is even. Now we need the even number in this list only. Now to check even number, we simply take this element and we apply modulus operator. When we take element and we divide by 2, the remainder becomes 0. Mathematically that number is even. Now we are going to filter even numbers. So let's see what difference between filter and map function. So let's try to use this. Then here we change the function, is the function now change to even. So now we can see the result. Let's try to see the result by using map function. Then we apply this. Now you see map function, what it returns, it returns first true, first true, first true. Where there is true, it returns true. Where the number is even, it returns true. From 1, then when you take 1 divided by 2, it's not equal to 0, then it is first. So 2, it is even. 3, it is not even, it is first. So map returns true or first to each element in iterable. Iterable can be list or maybe tuple. So but when we use filter function, so this filter function is going to return only even. Where there is true on our iterable, it return that numbers. So which means where we get true, also that is only the number contained in the result. So that is how filter and map function are used in Python. If you want to see different secrets of functions, you may watch this video, and also you can try this question. You can write the real answer and you can choose the real answer in this question and write it down in a comment. Ciao ciao.